yeah, so we're gonna be showing this video soon. We're just waiting for them to come so we can start everything. Even though we already ordered already, we're just waiting for everybody to come and everything. Oh, looks like they're coming now. Hi, it's over here. Come on. Have a seat. We already started order already, so we're just waiting for you guys to come, and we're glad you're here to join us. Let's pop the champagne before we start. Yay! Let the party begin. Oh, let me pour you guys a glass. Guys, this tastes very good. You guys like it? Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, so let's get to the video. It's going to be the road trip. So here we go.
Good morning. Time to get dressed. I wonder what I'm gonna wear today. This dress? Sis, the bathroom time is all yours. Thanks, Rose. Now all clean. What's for breakfast? Sis! In the kitchen. I've been looking for you. Let's go shopping. Shopping? You didn't have to ask me twice. Why am I out here waiting so long? What took you so long? Let's go. I had to put on my shopping outfit. I don't know what is in that store. There's nothing new there. Why are you in there for so long? Making my orders. Your orders? Really? What do you mean? You'll see. Hey, taxi! Thanks, taxi man. Guys, hi, babe. Bye, babe.
Bye, honey.
Sis, the taxi's here. I'm coming. You didn't tell me why you were in the store so long. I did. I told you I'm making my orders. Yes, I heard that part. Time for bed. It's Friday, delivery day. My delivery's here, yay! Let's go get the stuff. Lots of new stuff, I'm so excited. What to wear? What to wear? I'll just dress casual. Ooh, a text from Anson, a surprise? We're going to the villa, gotta get packed. La 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 la. Hey sis, you look happy, what's up? What's up? We're going to the villa. Really? Road trip? All packed, ready to go. I just need to pack one more thing. This dress. Sis, you're packed already? Of course. The boys are outside, let's go.
Honey, you're gonna love the villa.
Ooh, this place is cute. Wonder if there's somewhere to eat. Let's go find the diner. I'm super hungry. Here's the waitress. Let's go get the menu.
The menu's here.
What's with your car? Babe, your car has no tires.
Yeah, I can see that.
Sis, are we serious looking for a mechanic? Yes, we're going to the villa. A local garage up ahead. Look.
Hi.
How can I help you folks?
Need new tires.
Good. He's coming with us.
This is my car.
Oh, I see. It's gonna take you 2 weeks to get new
2
tires.
weeks?
Now we have to get into a rental car? Man, hurry up, boys.
Can't believe I have to rent a car.
How can I help you folks? Right about the vehicle's available. Yay, we back on the road. Club.